So I'm doing a little R&R on this old pacman machine, and I'm trying to leave things as original as I possibly can. Keep everything leaf, you know, keep the original Wicco in there. But here's my problem. Sorry, I'm trying not to lose parts off the back of it right now. Is yeah, I don't know if Dolly attacked it or what, but got a little abused at some point in its life. So my goal here is to actually take this thing out of here, and I'm gonna see if I can heat it up and straighten it. But gotta lube this up, and I'm gonna leave that soak for a good long while. It's just amazing the age of this thing, and it's still the rubber's perfect. I mean everything. It's awesome the way they used to make things.